Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna explain the PowerPoint, the basics of PowerPoint. We already explained all those questions in the classroom and you already answered those questions in the classroom. But here I wanted to make like a review for the PowerPoint. So first thing we'll start with these questions. So here like first question, create a presentation consisting from 4 slides. That's the important here. I need only 4 slides. The first one is title slide. So here now I will create a new presentation, new PowerPoint. Then I can just go to home or go to insert as you like, and then you can go to the new slide from here or here as you want. Then I need title slide. So here you can see we have many designs. I need the title slide. So this the first slide is a title slide. Then second slide and the second one and third one. So the second slide and third slide should be from the type title and content. So here return back to our slide. So then again here title and content. The second one should be title and content and the third one as well. And last one, so the last slide should be a blank slide. So here also I can just add a blank slide as the last slide here. So for example, if I need to change the order, so for example this one I need to make this one at the second one, so I can just click by the mouse and just drag, so I can make it the second one, or return back again to the last one. So I can do it in this way. We can also copy the slide, so Control C, Control V, or right click, copy. I can delete the slide, so right click here and just I can say here I can change the layout of the slide, or here I can just delete a slide. So you can do everything here. So now return back to our questions. So the second question, in the first slide add the subject name computer and add your name and add the link named shapes, give you to the or bring you to the fourth slide. So the first thing, add the computer as a title and add your name as a subtitle, because we have this slide here. Add computer here as a title and add your name as a subtitle in this way. And also return back to question here is add a link named shapes. So here I need to add like hyperlink. So you can add it anywhere because I didn't say anything. So I can say shapes here and convert this to the link. So we said that you can just write any text like shapes, right click to the text if it is Word, then go to the hyperlink, or just go to the insert. Another way, just go to the insert and then link as you like. Then go to the place in the document, because I need to go somewhere inside my presentation, inside my document, which is another slide. So here go to the second one, and then I need to go to the third slide. I forget here to go to the give you to the fourth slide. So go to the fourth slide. So here I need to go to the slide number 4. So click OK, and that's it. Now I finished the second question. Here, third question. In the second slide, go to the second slide now, add the table with 3 columns and 5 rows. So here I can go to the second slide. I can just from here I can add a table. Click here, I can add a table, or just go to the insert and then add a table. How many columns, how many rows? I can go to the table. So here the columns 3 and rows 5. 3 by 5. That's it. So just make it table like this. Of course you can click on the table anywhere, design, you can change the design of the table, you can write anything here in the table. For example, here I write the name. You can do anything with the table. The fourth question is, in the third slide add a smart art like below. So I need to make like this smart art in the third slide, so not in the same slide. Now in the first slide like this, second slide like this, now go to the third slide, then go to the smart art, so insert, and then I need the smart art. From here you can find all the smart arts, try to find anyone you want, or I need my smart art. For example, here we have list, process, and so on. So I need my okay. Now I need to change the design. So from here you can change the design of the slide. So I can make it in this way, for example, and then I can change the color as well in this way. And here of course I can write anything, like here first, here like add any text, here you can add second, and so on. Now return back to the question. In the fourth slide, the slide number 4, add the shapes like this and add the swivel animation to the sun. So here I need to add like those shapes. So I can go back now to the last slide here. Then add some shapes from insert and then shapes. I can find here. I have the moon here. I can change the color of the moon, of course. From here you can change any color. You can just go to the shape format, click on the shape firstly, click on the shape, then go to the shape format, and then from here you can just change the color if you want. Then I can insert as well again and go to the sun. I can create the sun here, and also I can change the color of the sun and go to the insert again, go to the shapes, and I need to go to a cloud, and also I can change the color of the cloud. Now I finish. Now I just have to care about the animation here. Add a swivel animation to the sun. So the sun should be swivel animation. A fly in animation to the moon. So moon, a fly in animation, and the spin animation to the cloud. So now the sun is swivel animation. Fly in to the moon and the spin to the cloud. So here, sun, start with the sun, go to the animation, and then go to the I need swivel animation. So try to find the click here, try to find where is the swivel animation. So I just add it in this way, swivel animation. In the moon I can add the fly in animation in this way, and a spin animation for the cloud. So also you can find spin animation, for example, with the cloud. So now I finish, I add all the animations. The last question, or the number 6, question number 6 is, in all slides apply the airplane transition. So we have many types of transitions. I need to apply, go to the transition here, and then I need airplane because there are names of the transitions, but I need airplane, so I just add airplane. And they say for all the slides, so I can just go to the apply to all. Now I apply to the all slides. The last one, in all slides, add date or time in footer and your name in header. It's not in header because in the PowerPoint there is no header and footer. It depends on the design. So just like a footer, just add my name and add the date. So from here also you can go to the insert, everything from insert actually. So get to the header and footer, and then here I can add date and time. Just select here, click here. If I need to add the slide number, I can click here. Here I will add in the footer, add my name, so I can just add my name in the footer. After that, apply to all. Now I finish everything in those equations. Now I will delete that. I need to go to other equations here. I have those equations as well. So here, in the slide 1, here slide 1, put the title as my class. So I can add slide 1. You can add any type, but if I have a title, so I can select this slide, title slide. So I can add here my class here. Then in the bold, so it should be bold, capital letter, black color, and font size 110, underline, and subtitle as class B. So here I need just to change that here. I can make it everything in the capital, make it in the capital from here, select, and just make it uppercase. And here the size should be 110. So I just write here 110. Bold, this bold, underline, this underline. Now finish. Here I should write the class B, for example, like in those equations. What else? Slide 2, insert 4 columns and 6 rows table. So just go to the slide 2. I don't have, now I have only one. I can create slide 2 in this way here, and they can go to insert or just go here to add a table. So here 4 columns, so I can just write 4 here and 6 rows, and okay, that's it. Now go to the slide number 3, insert any Smartart and write 2 of your favorite subject. So I can just go to another, create another slide, for example, also in this type. I can go to the Smartart from insert like we explained before, or just from here you can add it, and then I can add any one. So I can select this one, for example, if I want, and then I can add, change the color, change the design if you want here, and I can add 2 of my favorite subjects. For example, I can add like Python and also like Flutter. something like that. So I like those subjects. That's it. Now though, go to the slide number 4, make the following link, go to the slide 3. So in the slide number 4, I will create a slide. Now I have only 3 slides, 2, 3, 4, 3. Then I can create number 4, for example, this slide, and I can right here go to the slide 3. So when I click here, I need to go to the slide 3. So just hyperlink or link, right click, then hyperlink, then go here to the second one. I need to go to the slide number 3. So click here to go to the slide number 3, and okay, that's it. Now if I click here by control, it will go back to the slide 3. That's it. Click here, student. Also, we can slideshow to show our presentation. You can click here just, or click F5 in the keyboard like this. So now I finish here. Slide 5, write thank you as a word art. So in the slide 5, write thank you as a word art. So I create a slide, another slide, number 5, write as a word art. So here, go to the insert and then word art, and you can select anyone and just write thank you. That's, I can delete another thing, but that's it here. This is the equation. I need just to quickly answer all of them. Then make automatically slideshow every 2 seconds between the slides for all slides. So by the way, here, if I start the presentation in this way, if I need to go to the second slide, I need to click here or press something in the keyboard. Click here to go to other slide. I need to make it automatically every 2 seconds. So we have to go to the transition, because transition is responsible to create like animation between the slides when you go from a slide to another. So now here in this, I can go to the not only click but make it after and 2 seconds here, and then apply to all. Now if I start the presentation, I don't need to click anything. It's automatically after 2 seconds will go to from slide to another slide. What else? Another question. Put the slide number, date, time, and footer called my class for all the slides. Like in the last example, insert and then header and footer. Here I can add date. Here I can add slide number. Here I can add footer as my class. And of course here apply to all, so apply to the all slides. Now also I finish this here. If we want to add a chart, we can also same thing, go to the insert. Here you have table, here you have picture, screenshot. For example, we can go to the screen clipping here, and then I can add screenshot to anything. For example, add screenshot here. I can add like a design here. I can change the design of the slide, so I can select any design from here, from design. Transitions, we have just the transitions between the slides. Animation, we have many types of animation. We explained that before. We have entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. Also we have in the view, we can change the view of the presentation like this or this. For example, you can change it anytime you want. Also you can save as the presentation after finish. You can just go to the file, save as, then when you want, where you want to save it. So I can go to the browse here, and I need to save my presentation in the E drive, for example. So go to the PC and then go to the E drive or F drive as you like. In the E drive, you can create a new folder by my name. So here I can add OS, my name, for example. You have to add your name. Inside this, just save your presentation. Now I save the presentation in the E drive with the folder with my name. Also in the insert, we have like a Smartart. We have a chart here. We can add many types of charts, like for example, I need pie chart, I need bar chart, column chart, anyone. So just click here, you can select any design you want, and then okay, now you have the chart in the presentation. And the chart of course will be connected with the Excel file, so you can edit it with the Excel file, or we don't need to edit it, just make it in this way here. I need to make something like that to explain it. I can just quickly make it here, for example, here like this one here, anything we want to add. So I can just change the color. Then I need to cut a part of it, like half of the circle, so I can just add a circle here, draw it here. I can add it in this way here. So now the first thing, click on the all the shape, the shape that you want to cut from it. and then press control, still pressing control or Ctrl in the keyboard, and then I click here also. So now I select both, then go to the shape format. After that, merge shaping, and then subtract. Now I cut a part. Same thing here. I can cut another part. For example, if I want here, for example, I can just add like heart here. I can add like a heart here, and then select first thing the shape that I want to cut from, and then select what I want to delete it from this shape, and then go to the same thing and then subtract. Now I cut another part of it. And this way I can also like insert shape inside it and make it like here. For example, I insert this and I need to make it like a group, so I can just select all the shapes and right click here and the group, and then a group. Now I make it like one group, or control G, same thing. I can change the color here, so I can just click on it and change the color of the sun, for example, make it in this color. Also here I need to add another thing like this one here. I can add it in this way. We need to make it in the background, not in the foreground, so just right click to anything and then bring to front here, or just send to back. Now I send it to the background here. That's it. I can write anything. So for example, insert, go to insert and then text, and you can write anything here like topic or anything you want. If I want to make like animation, so here for example I can select this and go to animation and make it fly in animation, and here I can click here again and make it like a float in animation. Now it will work in this way. If I click here to the slideshow, now here the first animation and here the second animation, I can make them automatically work. So here, click here, go to the animations, then I can go to the after previous, so it will be create automatically, and here also after previous, so it will work automatically, so I don't need to click anything, it will work automatically in this way. We have many things, like for example, if you go to animation and then we have animation pan, I can here delete the animation or edit the animation by just right click, and I can do anything like remove, or I can add a sound, voice, or something. That's everything I mean important, so you can just review in this way. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.